Okay, so I'm going to show you how to filter classes on the new app. So this will be your home page as soon as you open up your app. And you'll see in the middle of this home page in red, it says Find a Class. So you're going to tap on Find a Class. And you can see all of the activities are listed here. So what we want to do is filter out the things that you are interested in or that you attend or want to attend. So up in the right-hand corner, you'll see 4 lines. You're going to tap on that, and then it'll take you to the page with the filters. So the first one would be the date, which we're going to leave there because that is this week. Location, instructor, class type, and time of day. So let's go ahead and set some filters here. So I'm going to hit location. And so the location with the heart, that is your home club. That doesn't mean you have to do your classes there, but so I'm going to go ahead and select the South Club as well. So if I do classes at the South Club and the West Club, those are the classes that I will see. If you do North, you can just filter it the way you want to. Okay, so up in the right-hand corner, it says Apply. So you're going to tap Apply. Now we want to filter by class type. So we're going to tap on class type. And now you can see all of the activities listed here. So let's go ahead and pick some activities to filter. So let's see, let's do a yoga class. And how about a strength class? Let's do Power Zone. And then I'm gonna pick Ball Zone. No, let's pick a cardio. Let's do Zumba. Okay, so now we have 3 classes filtered or picked to filter. So up in the top corner, you're gonna see Apply. We want to apply that to our filter. Now, if you pick instructor, you can only pick one instructor or trainer. So I would suggest not setting that filter unless you only do one person's classes. Okay, so I'm not going to pick that for now. Okay, so now I have picked my clubs and I have picked the classes that I want to attend and book. So now I'm going to go down to the bottom here, this red bar that says Apply, and so I want to save all of that. Okay, so now you see the schedule has eliminated all the things that I do not want to see, and I only see the classes that I do attend. Okay, so they're all there. Perfect. Oops. All right, now let's say I want to book Power Zone. So you're just going to hit book, and then down at the bottom, agree and book. And you will click on agree and book. Okay, so then there you go. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to us. The front desk can answer questions, and app feedback can also answer questions. Other than that, please remember, though, that the virtual classes are not on this app. They are still on our Fit Club virtual app. Those are the only classes that you will find on the older app. All of the classes, except for the virtual, are on this app. All right, so I hope that answers your questions. Thank you.